Movie news: Hitman Reloaded, Mel and Sue back as disastrous contract killers. Mel and Sue are back at it, and this time with more blood, drama, and comedy in the first trailer for Hitman Season 2, titled Hitman Reloaded, which will become available on Peacock starting 28th October. The duo that first entered America's hearts in the best years, 2010 to 2016, of the Great British Bake Off. Seriously, the show will never be the same without them, and still not over their departure 5 years later, one soggy bottom at a time, wowed audiences and critics alike with their debut in the silly yet serious first season of Hitman, which aired in March 2020. The show tells the story of two friends, Jamie, Mel Gaidrock, and Fran, Sue Perkins, that are alone in the world except for the seemingly unbreakable bonds of their friendship. Just two gals living what appear to be normal lives, except they make their living killing people. Under the direction of their boss, the ominous Mr. K, the team travels around in an unassuming, on the outside, at least, van and kidnaps their targets. Each episode follows the pair as they get a new assignment and the comedic shenanigans that come along the way. The trailer for Season 2 picks up with Jamie and Fran in an empty pool about to commit their last hit. Distracted by the sentiment in this moment, the duo almost lets their target get off easy as they begin to walk away. Just in time, Fran realizes the almost mistake and pulls the trigger on the hit. The rest of the trailer is non-stop action as we see the women doing their jobs in various places, including what appears to be some sort of high school reunion or maybe an 80s themed dance party. Can't wait to find that one out. All of this action, along with high-speed car chases, dueling with targets, and other hitmen, the pair hiding or being trapped in a coffin, and another look at that mysterious 80s themed event, shows us that this season is bound to be another rib-busting laugh fest with comedically dark undertones. Starring along Perkins and Gaidrock, to really pull the ensemble cast together, are Jason Watkins, MacDonald and Dodds, Des, Sian Clifford, Fleabag, 2 Weeks to Live, and Asim Chaudhry. People just do nothing. Judging by the trailer, which you can watch below, this season looks nothing short of comedic genius as we watch the team execute not only their hits, but also their perfectly timed jokes. Hitman Reloaded is created by Joe Markham and Joe Parham. Arnold Widdowson, Siobhan Bachman, Tilusha Ghilni serve as executive producers, and Ali Bria Karen produces. The series was directed by David Sant and written by Markham, Parham, Faye Rusling, Orion Messina, and Jessica Knappett. The show is produced by Tiger Aspect Productions in association with Sky Studios. Season 2 of Hitman begins streaming Thursday, 28th October, with all 6 episodes available at once on Peacock.